Hydraulic slip rolls offer several advantages in plate rolling process. This machine is equipped with a movable foot pedal to control the left and right rotation of the rolls. Hydraulic back roll enables easy adjustment of the bending radius directly from the control panel thanks to joystick controller. This pinch rolling machine is equipped with hydraulic inclinable back roll and a hardened contrast die, enabling effective and easy rolling of cone-shaped parts. 3-roll design enables effective pre-bending of both leading and trailing edges of the plate. This results in a more accurate and uniform bend throughout the length of the material. Bottom roll is quickly adjustable thanks to the hand lever system. This slip roll is equipped with wire bending grooves. The initial pinch design helps minimize flat ends on rolled cylinders, contributing to improved overall product quality and appearance. It works by pinching the flat sheet between 2 vertically opposed rolls, while the third bending roll moves upward to contact and then bend the sheet. The quick drop end mechanism facilitates the easy and efficient removal of the rolled part from the top roll. Perimeter emergency stop wire ensures user safety. Induction hardened rolls ensure the longevity of the machine. Heavy-duty cast iron mainframe guarantees durability and reliability. 2 hydraulic cylinders, powered by a compact hydraulic unit, move the back roll up and down. This feature makes the cone bending process much easier compared to mechanical plate rollers. The digital readout ensures that the back roll is correctly positioned, aiding in setting limits for both its upper and lower travel. This feature ensures an accurate bending radius and helps prevent overbending. Also, it enhances the machine's repeatability for mass production. CSA-approved electric panel with European components ensures the user safety and reliability of the machine. Novotec provides reliable warranty and service, maintaining a large inventory of machinery and spare parts. For pricing and details, reach out to us at novotecmachinetools.com.